How's it going, YouTube? It's Elliot Plays Here. Welcome to the channel. Today this is a vlog because I'm going to Glasgow today because it's the 8th of May and we're going to see Hugh Jackman, who was in The Greatest Showman as the ringmaster guy. Yeah, we're going to go and see him today, so that's awesome. My friend's going to pick me up at 1 o'clock and we're going to drive to Glasgow and go and see the show because it starts at 7. Doors open at 6, so we're gonna make our way down there, and yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I'm looking forward to it. I've been looking forward to this coming for quite a while now. I've had the tickets booked for quite a few months now, so should be cool. Looking forward to it. So yeah, I'll update you guys when we're in the car maybe. I don't know when I'll update you, but I'll update you sometime. So I'll see you then, guys. Bloody minutes and it's fucking pissing it down. Typical English weather.
Scottish weather, not England anymore.
Whatever.
Scotland's a different country.
We're still in the UK.
It's a different country.
No, it's not. I don't care.
It's Carly's birthplace, man.
Fucking who?
That
guy.
That guy.
That fucking guy, dude. I don't know why I'm vlogging right now, because I don't know what to say to you guys. This is not black, whatever. Listen to some tunage. Evanescence right now, it's like, yeah, lads. You just missed Panic. That was good. So yeah, well, that's what's happening today. We're going to see The Greatest Showman live, which is really like a Hugh Jackman kind of like show, really. So he sings like loads of different things, like Great Showman, Les Miserables, all that shite. So we're going to see what the crack is with that. Looking forward to it. Should be quite good. But yeah, picked up the camera because I was falling asleep. So you know, hot cars make me tired. 76 miles to Glasgow. Woo! Already in Scotland, so we just need to get to Glasgow, get checked in the hotel, see what time we get there, and then see what we can do from there. Yo! But yeah. Man, how big this is! I can't even get over that. Fucking huge!
It's much bigger than my arena.
Damn, Daniel, what
That's why the boat comes to Castle Arena.
Alright, dude.
Solid to the floor. That you can't go. Stay. Always there's a it's coming for your ride. It's serious, nothing going like a dagger. Locked in the drill, can't you see it? There's one. Just surrender cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's money open. It's the preacher and the pulpit and your Bible teaching. There's something breaking in the brick of everyone's holding on to now. Where do you wanna go? It's coming in on a call of mine. And the runaways are running the night. Possible come true, we're thinking over you. We light it up, we won't run down. And the sun gets down. Watching it come true, we're thinking over you.
you go? What do you think? Nicole, smoking it up.
It was good. I enjoyed it.
You did it?
A bit drunk, but it was good.
Yeah, we had a few drinks, had a good night, had a dance, had a sing song. It was good. I'm glad you done some from The Greatest Showman. You done more than I thought you would. Like, literally done more than I thought you would. I thought you'd only seen like one or two. Because I know like The Greatest Showman's popular, but
turn right.
Wasn't like really at a point in his life. You know what I mean? Because it was literally the full story about him. So that didn't come in until like earlier this last year, wasn't it? So I was surprised. It was pretty cool. It was a good night. Glad we came. Glad we took the journey down here and came. I'm walking, so sorry if the camera's jiggly, guys. I haven't got my stand thing. But yeah, it was a good night overall. Overall, it was a good night. Had a good time. We're just gonna go back to the hotel now. And shit like that. And then, yeah, I'll see you when I get back to the hotel, guys. Okay. Sexy hotel room. True looking at. Yeah, it's pretty nice for what we paid for. Got a telly in the corner. Pretty nice. Got telly, there's Nicole. Got a telly and yeah, 2 beds and shit. It's pretty nice for what we paid for it. It's pretty not bad for 71 quid for a night, I guess. And yeah, it's a bit dark outside because we've like literally just come back from the concert, so this is the view. It's very sexy. Bit of bushes and everything. My hand's in the way of everything. But yeah. So yeah, we just got back from watching more Hugh. And now I'm gonna settle in for the night and sleep, I think. Because of what?
You tied my makeup up.
I just do that in the morning. Yeah, we just had some food. Got a burger from the burger van because it's everything. And I was hungry, so I needed food. And Nicole had a hot dog from
It
here.
wasn't that great.
It was alright for what? It's alright for like a quick food. Last minute because we'll come out the thing. Wasn't that much of a walk either. 15 minutes. It's quicker coming back than it was like walking there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So
I was less excited.
it's pretty alright. It's all good. So yeah, we're gonna chill out for the night. I'm probably gonna watch my iPad in bed and sleep because we're leaving early in the morning. I think we're leaving for about what, 8. 3-hour drive back to Newcastle, lads. Yay! But yeah, I'm gonna peace out. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, lads. It's 7 o'clock. And I'm shook. Because it's early. It's early, so I've been up in a long time. But hey ho, I'm gonna go down for some breakfast. And then head off home. So yeah, I'll see you in the car, lads. Just had my breakfast. Back in the car. We're gonna set off in a minute. And go back to Newcastle, lads. What about Newcastle? Yeah? I'm triggered. But yeah, we're gonna go back to Newcastle. And yeah. 3-hour journey home. Always fun. 3-hour journey in the car, so we're gonna have some tunes on and just chill till we get there. And I'll update you when we are back. Peeps, peace. Alright guys, I am back home. Woo! Back in Newcastle. We're just on the journey back, which is cool. Really enjoyed the tour, it was so much fun. Hugh Jackman, for being 50, he's got it in him still, guys. It's actually really cool. He's an awesome dude. Had some funny stories. He's a funny guy. Yeah, it's a good show. Really enjoyed it. A few of the songs I didn't obviously know, because, you know, I'm not a massive follower of Hugh Jackman. I only went because, like, The Great Showman. Like, come on, it's iconic. Who could not go and see it because The Great Showman? But yeah. There's my ticket to say that I went. I'm just covering like address and stuff. Yeah, that'll probably be reversed, right? Oh no. But yeah, there's my ticket to say that I went to the show. But yeah, it was pretty cool. It was awesome. Really enjoyed the show. Yeah, I didn't get any merch or anything because, like I said, I'm not a massive Hugh Jackman fan. I only went because it was like a Greatest Showman musical type thing. So that's the only reason we went, because me and my friend love The Greatest Showman. It's such a good film. If you haven't seen that movie, then I suggest you watch it. And what are you doing if you haven't seen it? Jesus, guys. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna probably conclude the vlog there. I've included like a few clips of some of the songs of The Greatest Showman. So I hope you enjoy them few clips and just a little bit of me talking crap basically in this vlog. It wasn't like a spectacular vlog. Like, it was only like a few bits and bobs of us going to Glasgow and stuff like that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, guys. And I'll be back with gameplay videos tomorrow because I've just got back, so it'll take me a while to record, edit and render and get it uploaded. So there'll be no like gaming video today, just this vlog. But tomorrow I'll be back with Life is Strange 2. So I'm excited for that because I've been waiting. It's been like 5 months since the first one came out of that. So since the second episode came out, sorry. So yeah, that'll be coming tomorrow, guys. So I will see you then. Peace out, guys. Have a good night, wherever in the world you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.